Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking network and app state. You should confirm the Android TV is on the correct Wi-Fi and has decent signal, because connectivity causes most issues. Once done, open Settings, navigate to Apps, find YouTube and note the version and storage. Then force stop the app and clear its cache. This removes temporary files that often break playback while preserving your account and preferences. Doing this first avoids unnecessary resets and speeds up the next troubleshooting steps. Next, you update both the YouTube app and the TV system to eliminate known bugs. Go to the Play Store and update the app, then check System right arrow about for firmware updates. Once updated, forget the Wi-Fi network and reconnect, testing 5 GHz versus 4 GHz to rule out band issues. If problems persist, adjust DNS to a reliable public address and reboot your router. This fixes name resolution and transient network problems that can stop YouTube from loading or streaming smoothly. Finally, you reinstall the app to replace corrupted files. Uninstall updates or uninstall entirely, then reinstall from the Play Store and sign back in. Once reinstalled, test playback with a secondary YouTube account or use the app's diagnostics to isolate account versus device issues. Make sure to test multiple videos and stream qualities. If nothing fixes it, perform a factory reset only as a last resort. Backup settings first, because that resolves deep system corruption but erases local configurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.